to the mix. And on the mix, we have Dwayne. Now, this morning, Dwayne is saying that somehow on too plenty because he's saying that whatever it is, if ever he calls Blanca boss, she's gonna pick up and she's gonna talk to him because she'll forever have a love for him. He's saying that on talk too much about the situation that because he has been going back and forth about her, but he's saying that her love will never die for him. So if he calls her, she's gonna answer. So go and check out the video now, and remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to check out the membership and the merch that's available. Have a wonderful morning.
And yes, I have. Listen, I'm good over here, so I am good over here. And I'm very sure, I'm going to say one more time, if I call Plankawas, she's going to pick up. Plankawas will always have love in her heart for me. Always, always, and always. Always. Some of you is too much, some of you is too plenty. Some of you is too much, some of you... Has she ever talked to her life and said, "Oh, no, send call Alien for me, or send call Jennifer for me, tell us what they're live"? I bet you she did that. She did that a lot of times for me though. "Oh, no, call Dwayne." Some of you to go and sit down and enjoy the little knowing she's giving you. Be thankful. Be thankful she's giving little knowings. Because, hey, people, funny thing. I remember very well at a point, some people used to always want to try use me to get close to Plankawas. They always wanted to use me to get close to her because they saw that I had a good rapport with her. They wanted to use me to get to her. None of you can throw no stones at me. None of you. At least with me, I was always genuine. Anything with me and her, it was always genuine. Always. Always. Understand? Let me ask some of you, do you guys have a private phone? Not you guys on the live, not you guys on the live. The people who are throwing words at me, do you have a private phone number? Whenever you get it, be thankful you get it. When you get it, if you do get it, be thankful. Be thankful you got it. Don't come out here trying to make me look bad as if to say I hate her or I've joined some wagon to bring her down. Lies you told. Lies you told. Lies upon lies upon lies. I'm going to say respectfully, enjoy the knowings you're getting from her. Enjoy it. Enjoy it while you can. And leave me alone. Funny thing. I know for a fact they want to go back and they want me to curse. They want me to curse, go back and forth and curse with them to make me look bad. That's not going to happen. It is not going to happen. And please stop using Plankawa's name to try and make me look bad because she's not your... Listen. Have you ever donated to her? You. Have you? I bet you haven't. But all of a sudden, oh, Donna, go and sit down. I'm if I've out of the talk. I bet she's not mad at me. I bet she still cares for me. I bet you she sometimes asks, "I wonder what doing and go out with him, alright?" I bet you. Don't try and use my good Plankawas. Don't try and use hear me well. Do not try and use my Plankawas. Me, Dwayne Fletcher Plankawas for trying to don't. It's not gonna work. If you're in a building audience, do so generically. Honest. Darling, I ain't called no one's name, and to be quite frank, like, listen, I'm gonna say one more time. All I had to do was just listen and listen keenly to it. I know for a fact they're throwing words at me, and they want me to come out here and curse them to make me look like, oh, in my cost because my affiliate with her. Shut up! I would never curse you because you affiliate with her. You people, you have to stop it. I have not people. To all of you on the live right now, I'm gonna say to you. Listen, I know there are some haters here. Me could never hate, not even a strand of Donna Marie girls here. Never. Understand? Don't listen to the noise. Never listen to the noise. I'm going to say yes, I was in my feelings at point because of circumstances, right? But I'm over that. People are making it seem as if, oh, I am. I blocked them because they affiliate with her. I'm pretty sure we cleared up. I've cleared up why I blocked a lot of people. I'm pretty sure I've cleared up why I blocked a lot of people. Right? Keep it moving. Keep it cute or mute. Keep it cute or mute. And don't try and use me as no stepping stone because it is not going to happen. It won't happen. It will not happen. Sooner rather than later, people are going to see through a lot of you. Sooner or later, people will see through a lot of you, respectfully. I'm very sure the love I had for her was genuine. I was as genuine, as real as they come. Whether you people believe me or not, I don't care. I wouldn't say I worshipped her, but I love the ground she walked on. Understand? So don't use Plankaba's name to try and make me look bad. Do not use Plankaba's name to make me look bad. It is not a good look. It doesn't sit well with me. Say I blocked you for other reasons, but please don't use her name to make it seem as if I blocked some of you for that. No. Oh, and how I'm cursing some of you for that. Lies. And I never cursed none of you if I told you the truth. The whole truth and nothing but the truth. Why mad? Why are you mad? Move on. Do you know funny thing? I feel like perhaps some people didn't have no content to go out with. So I was like, what we can come up with today? Oh, Dwayne. Leave Dwayne alone. Dwayne don't care for none of you. I don't care for none of you. Respectfully. I'm gonna say one more time, Plankawa still cares for me. Even if she won't publicly acknowledge it, she still cares for me. So sit down, boo-boo, sit down and leave me alone. Remember, some of you used to use me to try and get close to her, and I saw through all of you. Mesicho Uno, find another avenue and leave me alone. Find another avenue. All right. Anyways, enough of them, the people who's trying to use me to make me look bad. Onto other things. People. I don't know if you guys know, right? But someone called me and said, Dwayne, I don't want to, I'm thinking of my choice of words because I don't want to make myself out to be someone who's not of good character.